Today I'm in Valletta, capital city of Malta, the city of the night. I'll soon be walking towards South Street, where there are some light decorations. Okay, so we seem to have these every now and then in different parts of Valletta and other towns, but we will have these. Let me there's some music. I'm going to switch to side. Okay, so this is the street, South Street. There was a plan of building a palace here. I'm going to give you an explanation now. In the early days of Valletta, South Street was originally named Strada Palazzo, because they were going to build a magisterial palace, which is at present occupied by the Auberge de Castille. Later, the street was named Strada dell'Albergia di Francia, and the French called it Rue du Genie. They renamed it. Up to the beginning of World War II, it was renamed again as Strada Mezzodi. Today, it is South. Okay. So that was some information. We're seeing a lot of these QR code menus and disposable menus because of the pandemic. Let's look at the decorations. Don't forget to like this video so that YouTube will recommend it to others. So if you like it, please press the like button. Okay, so you can see some of the decorations. Let me walk on a bit more and I'll show the decorations from the beginning of the street. They haven't lighted them yet. Still not time for them to be lit up, I guess. That's where they are. It's 5:30. I'm not aware what time they light these up. I know I started them yesterday, according to an article I read. And they will remain here until September. In the description I will add the name of the artist. I don't remember the name, sorry. But I think these decorations add a nice touch, you know, to any street. It's nice to see these. About 50 minutes. Thanks for watching this video again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now from Malta Network Resources in Valletta. Bye, stay safe.